Today, I'll show you how to renew your driver's license at a DMV kiosk. It's quicker than waiting in line, but you'll want to be prepared before you go. First, check if you're eligible. Kiosks usually work for standard licenses, but not for commercial licenses or real IDs. You also need to be within the renewal period set by your state. If your license is suspended, out of state, or requires a new photo or vision test, you'll need to go in person. Next, gather what you'll need. Bring your current license. Some states also ask for proof of residency, your social security number, and recent vision test results. Be sure to have a payment method ready, such as a debit or credit card, and in some places, cash or checks are also accepted. At the DMV, find the Renewal Kiosk. Use the touchscreen to follow the prompts. Confirm or update your personal details, complete a vision test if it's required, and then pay the renewal fee. When you're done, the kiosk will give you a receipt or a temporary license, and your new card will arrive in the mail. And that's it. Renewing at a kiosk can save you time as long as you meet the requirements and bring the right documents.